how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. So if you want to turn off your Meta AI on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now if you have Meta AI on your Facebook, then what you need to do is simply go with the upper right, which has that search icon. Once you tap on search, now under your search, what you need to do is simply search for Meta AI. Once you search for Meta AI, then you will have the Meta AI feature right here. So if you got the Meta AI, then you will have this round kind of interface, circle kind of interface on the upper left side of your search. Instead of that magnifying icon, you will have the Meta AI. So if you want to turn off your Meta AI, simply tap on that icon of Meta AI, and you can go with the upper right, which will have app info under Meta AI. Once you tap on the app info, then you will have an option of mute, but you won't be able to turn it off. So what you need to do is simply tap on mute, and once you tap on mute, it will mute messages, and you will get the option of how long you can mute Meta AI, like for 15 minutes, for 1 hour, 2 hour, or 24 hours, and until I change it. You can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with. So make sure to choose until I change it if you don't want to turn it off again. So once you've chosen, go back and restart your Facebook, and that's how you can turn off your Meta AI on your Facebook. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.